Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are making Father's Day cards. So I started out by figuring out I wanted to go with a tool theme, so I wrote Happy Father's Day in the Rob and Bob Toolbox font, and I adjusted the colors to be in line with the rest of the colors that I wanted for the theme. And then, to make the front of the card the large dad, I went to Images and I searched for Dad Tools, and it was the first one. And then to get the background with all of the tools surrounding Dad, I went ahead into Images again and just searched for Tools. Then I adjusted those all to be the color that I wanted, and I made this white background because the card itself is going to be gray, and that is 3.75 inches by 5. Then once you have that all set up, go ahead and make the number of copies to 2 because we are making 2 of the same card in this case, and go ahead and run it to have the Cricut cut it. Once everything was cut out, I started assembling. I started with gluing down the background of tools, and then I used dimensionals to go ahead and put the big red dad in the middle to elevate it a bit. I went ahead and repeated my steps since I'm making 2. And then for the inside of the card, I glued down the Happy Father's Day, and you have to make sure you glue down everything in the right order so that the various tool handles and the parts that go on there are all in line with one another. After that, I went ahead and repeated that again. And lastly, I went ahead and I glued those inside sentiments into the card. And there you have it, a quick and easy Father's Day card. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will put a link to this design in the description below. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.